I've already prepared my cabinet to receive the All Together Sing trophy. So let all Jamaica know that we do this strictly for the love and not for the like.
Drink for the love, we are drink for the life. Drink for the love, we are drink for the life.
I'm very feel I take it this year, man.
Well, I'm feeling great, and I'm so proud of the students that we reached this far.
What I do from week to week is that ensure that the key is right for the students, bearing in mind the range and how they can manage the song. Also have to consider teaching the students the parts after working out the different parts on the keyboard, and depending on the song, trying to find the appropriate song for each genre each week from the beginning straight up until the end of the competition.
Belfield am High School.
Of course, Belfield High School.
Belfield.
Why Belfield?
Because they have it. I listened to them last night and it was really good.
Knox is coming second, Belfield coming first.
I would say the best part of the season is winning All Together Sing.
Them people do it for the likes, but we do it for the love. That's how we never feel more alive.
That's how everybody ready to champion fire.
And every school I go like we to be Ivy. And we not love life in a Belfield side. And every school I